welcome back to my another video. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about AWS Application Services. We'll go with the introduction to the core AWS Application Services, key features, use cases, and the relevance. These services support application development by providing messaging, API management, and other capabilities. We'll go with application services, application. To build an application, we need application development, we need application maintenance, support, testing, and quality assurance to change the things as per the market. Today, we'll go with the core AWS application services, Amazon API Gateway, Amazon Simple Notification Services, as we can say as SNS, SQS. SQS defines simple queue services, step functions. Amazon API Gateway. We'll go with the first one, Amazon API Gateway. It is fully managed service for creating, publishing, and monitoring. Amazon API Gateway is a fully managed service that simplifies the creation, publication, maintenance, monitoring, and securing of RESTful HTTP and WebSocket APIs at any scale. It acts as the front door for applications to access backend services such as AWS Lambda. The main key features of API Gateway, it supports same HTTP, REST, and WebSocket APIs to connect front-end and backend services. The main key concepts are defined as we can trigger AWS Lambda HTTP backends or AWS services supporting throttling, caching, authorization IAM, Cognito, Lambda, and Authorizer. The developer use cases, it exposes serverless backends Lambda via RESTful APIs. Create secure APIs for mobile and or web apps. AWS AppSync graphical APIs. AWS AppSync is a fully managed service for building and deploying graphical APIs, which allows clients to query exactly the data they need from multiple data sources in a single request. It's designed for real-time, scalable, and offline applications, often used as an alternative to REST APIs. The key concepts uses GraphQL instead of REST. The developer use cases build real-time collaborative applications, sync mobile applications. AWS Step Function is a serverless orchestration service that coordinates distributed applications and microservices using visual workflows. It defines a state machine to execute tasks in a specific order, handling retries, errors, and parallel processing. In simple words, we can say a serverless orchestron. A serverless orchestration service for coordinating multiple AWS services into workflows. The key features or key concepts we can state as it supports task branching and error handling for complex workflows. It integrates with Lambda, ECS, SNS, SQS, and other services. The developer use case, if you want to know how to design state machines, handle errors, here's the developer case. Build workflows like order processing, data processing pipelines, chain multiple Lambda functions with defined flow, error handling, and retires in a complex workflows. In simple terms, We'll discuss about SNS and SQS. SNS, simple notification service, a fully managed sub messaging service for sending messages to multiple subscribers, like email, SMS, anything related to text or mail, for application to application, A to A, P to A to P, A to person, application to person communication. In simple thing, we can communicate through this. Amazon Simple Queue Service, a fully managed message queuing service for decoupling and scaling microservices, enabling message processing. SNS key concepts: push based messaging model supports fan out architecture, one message to many targets, topic subscription publishers, developer use cases, send alerts to users or systems, notify multiple services simultaneously, trigger Lambda on new events. The key concepts or key features of SQS: pull based model. It is a pull based model. Messages are pulled by consumers. Two types: standard queue, FIFO queue, first in, first out. Developer use case, decouple components, buffer tasks during load spikes. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Here I covered maximum of applications. We have covered Amazon API Gateway, SNS, SQS, step functions. In upcoming future videos, we'll discuss about event bridge events, app sync, and more. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.